Here, and all I have to do is pour a little water into this funnel, and you watch what happens.
It's coming out again.
Yes. I have a perpetual motion example.
That can't be true. There's no such thing as perpetual motion.
Well, the water that seems like it's going in here is coming back down and going all the way uphill, which you know you can't do, right?
No, you can't.
There must be some kind of force. Well, I call it a mystery fountain. You can see why. And I've covered the two bottles with cardboard so that you can't see what's going on. Because I think once I uncover it, you will be able to solve the mystery. First, this one. You start tracing what happens to the water from the funnel.
Okay. The water comes into the funnel, and then it goes down into the
long
water,
tube.
in the long tube. And
Now,
then,
what happens to the air here?
oh, the air is getting pushed on by the water,
Right.
I guess.
Pushed up, really.
Yeah.
Going through the small tube.
Yes, it goes up through the small tube and around and out again through the small tube.
Right.
And there, I guess it would be the opposite. The air is pushing on the water so
Right.
that the water goes up this
The
tube.
long tube, and trace
then
where it ends
the
up.
tube. Hey,
Back
it
at the
goes
funnel
back
again.
here.
So how long is this perpetual motion machine going to continue?
Until we run out of water or run out of
Right,
air.
right. We're going to run out of water here pretty soon, and that will be the end of it. Then all we have to do is switch the two bottles, and we can start all over again. And is it ready? As soon as we get down to the level, you'll see bubbles coming up, and there we go.
There it
That's
goes.
the end. Okay. Now let's switch them.
Okay.
Keep the stoppers at the same position, but just switch the bottles.
There's a lot
Okay.
of water in here.
Okay. Would you like to start the perpetual motion going?
Okay.
Now, notice, by the way, I've given you red water
It's red.
so that you can see that the water that goes in there is not the water that comes out here, which is
Okay.
obvious. Go ahead, start it just a little bit to get it going. Here it comes. There it goes. Now trace it
Okay.
from the funnel.
Okay, the red water went in here,
Mm-hmm.
and it went down through the long tube to the bottom.
So what are we adding to this one?
We're adding water, and it's pushing the air out.
Right.
That goes up through this short tube.
What
and
are we adding to
around.
this one?
We're adding air.
To that one. So what are we getting rid of?
We're pushing down in the water, so it goes up through the longer tube
Okay.
and around
Okay.
and down through the funnel again.
Okay. So while I call this a mystery fountain, I can't call it that any longer, right?
No, it's no
As you've
longer.